Hello everyone, welcome back to Liz Secret Kitchen. It's me Liz and welcome back. So I want to thank everyone so much for the love and support. I want to thank my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing and welcome to my kitchen. And if you're a past buyer, thank you so much for passing by and I hope you join us this big family and then we can enjoy some secret recipe together. Thank you. So today I decided to make some turkey sauce with some rice. Okay, so I decided to make a bit of a twist and do something different because summer is approaching. So when summer comes, we all know what it is. Beat food, repeat, turn. Skincare. So there we go. So now at the moment I'm just chopping up my turkey. I've got my turkey leg and thigh. So if you don't have turkey, you can use chicken for this recipe, and this recipe is so simple and easy. You don't even need so much things to do it, but it's super good. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. So if you don't have turkey leg, it's fine, you can use any part of the turkey. So now I'm cutting up my bell pepper, which I'm gonna use for my marinade. So I'm cutting up my ginger root. I've got 3 Scotch bonnets because I love heat. So if you love heat, you can use 3 Scotch bonnets, or if you want it mild, you can reduce the amount of pepper to half a Scotch bonnet or 2 or 1, or if you don't want any, you can just skip that process. Okay, so I'm cutting my green onion, my coriander leaves, my parsley, and I've chopped my onion and everything. I'm putting my rosemary in there in one bowl because I'm gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna add my natural spice. I'd have a tablespoon of green aniseed, black pepper, and then coriander seeds. Sprinkle some olive oil. You know me, I love olive oil. And I'm gonna add some lemon. Now I'm gonna use my hand blender to blend that. But if you don't have your hand blender, that's fine. You can blend it in your food processor, or you can just use your normal blender to blend it because we want a grainy consistency, not smooth. Okay, so I will just put my marinade on my turkey, add my seasoning and some salt, and I'm gonna rub this onto my turkey very properly. Make sure you massage the turkey very well so you can get all the marinade everywhere. And I'm gonna cover it and then I'm gonna leave it to marinate overnight because I want the proper infusion of the flavor. Okay, so the next day our turkey is ready. Put my saucepan on fire, add a little bit of olive oil, and then I transfer my turkey in there. So as you can see, I'm not doing anything much to it, you get what I mean? I'm just transferring my turkey right in the saucepan, and I don't even have to add anything apart from my veggies. So add everything there, and then I'll cover up, and then I go ahead and chop up my onion, okay, which we're gonna add later on. I'm cutting up my mixed green pepper. You can use any color of your choice, or if you don't want green bell pepper, you can just skip that process. Okay, and then I'm cutting up some mushroom as well, same to it. If you don't like mushroom, you can just skip that process. So I'll go ahead and stir the meat every now and then to make sure that my meat don't go burn. So as you can see the marinade is actually, the marinade that I use is actually forming up a sauce. You get what I mean? So it's very simple. So I've got my mixed veggie, and now I'm cutting up the tin of my coconut milk. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a stir, and then I'm gonna add my mushrooms now. Okay, also I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, so if you mix any step or anything, don't you worry, you can go into my description box because I'm gonna list everything down below. Now I'm adding my curry powder. If you don't have curry powder or you don't like it, it's okay, you can skip it. But if you want it and don't have it, you can use turmeric powder. If you have one at home, that is absolutely fine. Okay, now adding my coconut milk. You need coconut milk, man. Oh dear. So now I'm adding my seasonings. You can add any seasonings of your choice, and I keep stirring it. If you can see, and the cooking time will depend on how tender you want your turkey to be. Okay, so if you want it more tender, you can cook it a bit more, like more longer, and if you don't want it too tender, you can just cook it for a short while. Now I'm mixing up my corn flour, mix up with some water. Make sure you mix everything up so you don't get any lumps in there. And I'm gonna stir my sauce again, and I'm gonna add my corn flour mixture in there, so it almost goes immediately, thicken up the sauce right immediately. I'm adding some teaspoon of paprika. If you don't like paprika, or you have smoked paprika, that's fine, you can add that. Or at this point, if you want to add some chili powder, you can add that one too. So now I've introduced my bell pepper, and if you can see that I introduce it right later on because I don't want it mushy or soggy. I want to bite into them. Okay, so there you have it. Our turkey and vegetable sauce is ready. Oh my god, the smell is out of the world, guys. You need to try this recipe. It's super fast, easy, and you don't need too much things. You get me? You don't have to add too many things apart from your vegetables. There you go. So I'll go ahead and cook my rice, which I'm gonna serve with my sauce, and I'm gonna cover it up with some kitchen cloth or aluminum foil, because I want to retain that heat in there to make my rice nice, sticky and fluffy. My mama will always say we don't use water to cook rice but heat. Okay, so there you have it. Our rice is ready, quick and easy, and there you go. Dinner is ready, nice and served. That is super quick. It tasted super good. Oh my god, you need to try this recipe, guys. You really do need to. You have to try it so you understand what I'm on about. Okay, and my kitchen smells gorgeous. Oh my god. I garnish it up with some green onion, and there you have it. Oh my, turkey sauce with rice is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you. See ya.